What's going on, everybody? So my connector here, my 7-pin connector, is damaged, so I'm going to replace that today with this one here. I'm going to show you what you got to do. I got this QCP. It's supposed to be quick disconnect, so when you have issues you just buy this new thing and you replace it. But when something like this happens, there's nothing you can do about it. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to unscrew this and slide this down, and unscrew that. Those will come down. And now you got to get this cover off. And you'll see another plug. Okay. So then you got this plug here, and it's permanent. So, I mean, you're really just kind of stuck. So this can't even slide up because this is too big. So this is made to be like a permanent thing. So I'm probably gonna have to just cut this and wire all the wires into this new plug. But that's okay. It's annoying, but whatever. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and take all this junk off and wire up the new stuff. I'll show you that. Alright, after you dig all that out, you should have these 7 wires here. So I'm gonna clean these up, strip them a little bit, flip them, strip them, you know, all that stuff. And then this is hot. Look on the top here. See they're labeled. So we're gonna wire those in. They should match. And I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. So after you got all that out of the way, there'll be a screw here and a screw here. And you'll take this screw out first. That'll take that adapter out. And then you'll take this screw out here, and that's what clamps this onto the hose, or I mean the cable, the power cord here. And you slide this new one on, and then you can, you know, finish up these first, but you'll be able to adjust this, and then when you put that screw back in, it'll clamp down on a little shard there that'll keep the cable tight in there. So anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning these up, and then after I trim them down and get them all neat, we'll start putting them in back here. See how they're labeled? Pretty simple so far. Alright, should have something pretty beautiful like that. Now we're going to start connecting them into here, and as you connect one, you're going to screw it. See, screw it down, connect one, screw it down. Now what I'm also going to do is, as I screw them in, since they're not protected, I'm going to also electric tape them. So I'm going to pick one, screw it in, electric tape it, pick one, screw it in, electric tape it. So I'll probably start with blue in the middle, and then go white, and then kind of go around. I'll show you what that looks like. Alright, should have something kind of like this. And just for good measure, I'm going to double check all these are tight. One little layer of tape over all of it. And I'm going to slide that up and lock it in. Alright, we're all tightened up. Looks good. I'll find out in the morning if I'm still dark or not. Looks like it worked.